My background is an international background. I've studied and worked in architecture with a master's at Sydney, Australia, at UNSW, and went on to work at different architectural companies in Melbourne, Sydney, and I've also worked previously in Vancouver since 2013 across a broad range of residential, commercial, hospitality, medium density unit development, multi-use and mixed purpose development. But predominantly now I've been working in residential design. I'm not a salesman. I'm not trying to sell the client on anything. I'm trying to educate the client and bring them along on the design journey. And we would start the design process where we meet each other for the first time, and really we go through their wants, needs, the desires, the priority list in some cases, to give me an understanding about the scope of work and perhaps where the budget might be at, or perhaps where the constraints of the site might be at, or the constraints of the actual house, if it's a heritage house, if it's a modern house, and in the requirements of the family. Meaning if it is a family, they have a young family, or if they're older in age and they want a future planning, or if they want planning for people with less mobility. And it's being able to understand the client's wants and needs and be able to marry that with a cohesive design.